Hello and welcome back to today's More Report on Friday the 21st of November with me, Rich Perrin, market analyst at Hand Tech Markets. Let's move on to cable now, and cable is, as with the euro, cable's under a bit of pressure today again. I think it's sort of following the euro lower. There's been no real news behind cable's weakness today, so I think it's probably just in sympathy with the euro, or subsequently the dollar strength that you get off the back of selling the euro, so that sort of feeds through into cable. And I said in the morning report that, if I zoom in slightly here, we've got this bullish key one-day reversal, which again was, I said, unconvincing in my opinion, subsequently followed by an unconvincing candle yesterday, sort of a spinning top, I'd say, you'd argue, where you get a long a reasonably long tail, and on both the upside and the downside, with a small body in the middle. Very inconclusive candlestick that is, and then seems to be that we're sort of regaining a bit of initiative to the downside. So you'd look at this, if you did actually take a step back and looked at this daily chart, you'd say that's still very negative, pretty much across the board. Nothing really going on these momentum indicators that suggests anything else. Little bit different on the intraday, or certainly it was until the last hour, because yesterday we had this move to the upside, 57.36. That hit to the pip the resistance. Now that sort of suggests that there was an attempt to break out and form a base pattern. Now that obviously was rejected, and subsequently in the last hour or so, the cable has come under more pressure. So if cable now breaks that 56.30 reaction low that we saw yesterday, I think that then you'd probably put to bed any talk of a base pattern, or certainly the completion of a base pattern in the immediate term. And probably you then come back towards the test of those lows, 55.88. It certainly looks like it's lost the momentum. The RSI sort of falling below the reaction low of yesterday, 41. It's currently 38. So you'd say that the RSI has sort of lost momentum. MACD lines in decline. Stochastics continue to fall away as well. So the intraday chart looks to be under pressure once more. I think rallies will be used as a chance to sell on cable. Zooming in here, you'd argue that there is a minor resistance, you'd say, from the reaction lows overnight, 56.70 odd, but I think you'd probably take it from the initial sell-off from today, which is 56.94, but then obviously that 57.36 is the key resistance near term, which obviously had been tested yesterday and failed, but it certainly looks like a bit of pressure to the downside. Slight amount of support in the last hour, but I'd be using any rally as a chance to sell, I think, on this on cable. I don't really see that. I think because of the fact that you've got this this continued downside momentum and outlook, which is bearish on the daily chart, I think rallies will be used as a chance to sell. So I wish you good luck in your trading on cable today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.